In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter billable time for employees and contractors in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record time so it flows smoothly to your invoices and job costing. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Move your cursor over the Create button to open the full menu of transaction types. This is where QuickBooks keeps shortcuts for adding new records, and it's the quickest way to log time. From that menu, choose Single Time Activity. This opens a focused time entry screen designed for one person and one customer at a time, which is perfect for quick, accurate entries without distractions. At the top, select the name of the person who did the work. This can be an employee or a contractor. Make sure you pick the correct person so payroll, vendor payments, and project costs stay aligned. If you don't see the person you expect, they may need to be added to your team first or have time tracking enabled. Next, choose the customer you'll be billing. If you use projects, select the specific project under that customer so the time rolls up to the right job. In the service field, pick the service item that best describes the work completed. Service items determine the income account and can carry default rates, so selecting the right one keeps your billing consistent and your reporting clean. Turn on the billable option. This flag is essential. Without it, the time won't appear when you're creating an invoice for the customer. If your workflow uses different rates, you can adjust the billable rate here as needed. Enter the value for the time worked. Depending on your settings, you can type a duration or use start and end times. Be precise. Accurate hours will make your invoices and profitability reports more reliable. If your company tracks business, location, or a similar tag, select the appropriate option to attribute this time to the correct segment. This helps with location-based reporting and internal analysis. Choose the start date to place the time in the right period. Correct dating is important for payroll, project timelines, and billing cycles. Add a clear, concise note describing the work done. Specific notes help clients understand charges and reduce follow-up questions. When everything looks good, click Save. Your entry is now stored and linked to the customer, project, and team member you selected. The next time you create an invoice for that customer, QuickBooks will show the billable time so you can add it with a click. That's it. Simple, accurate, and ready for billing.